Today we are unboxing a Kotart. I saw this one on Miss Coffee's webpage when she unboxed it, and I was like, oh, that is so me. So we are going to open it up. This one is the cat lady, the girl with cat. I'm going to call her the purple cat lady because of all the beautiful purples and the big brown eyes and the cute little cat. She is a 16 by 20. Sorry about the glare. Let's see. See if you can still see if I turn this light off. No, well, you can still see this part. I'll have to turn it back on later. But it is a 16 by 20. I ordered it June 1st and I got it June 5th. So, yeah. I'm going to unravel her so we can see her without all of the glare of the light. And then I will turn the light back on. Okay. Alright, not bad with the light off. I mean, it is much brighter on the camera than it is here in this room. Roll it backwards, see if we can't. Okay. I think they went a little bit over here with the cover, but no worries. No worries with that. She's cute. She is cute. It looks like 26 colors. I love purple. Purple's my favorite color. I love cats. I now have 8. Yeah, so added 5 more to my tribe. I rescued 5 a week and 2 days ago, and they're doing great. They're adjusting well. So, let's see. Come on, focus. I have a new camera. I'm trying to get to focus, focus, focus. How close do you have to be? It's not cooperating. Come on. Well, it does not want to cooperate. It has a glare from the sun in the other room. So I'm in a very open room. Let's see if I turn the light on. We can see it then. Yes, blinded by the light. Let's see if it'll do it now. I've got to figure out the settings on this new camera. I can tell you that they are very clear. I promise. Try this way. See, it just does not want to work. So, I will play with the settings and see if I can't get this to do a little better. But I love her eyes. And I love the face of the kitty. And I'm really hoping this face is going to turn out well. Now, her face should really turn out well because there are quite a few colors for shading. God, I love her eyes. And this head wrap that she has going on right here. So she is really cute. Kotart. Now, I've never ordered from Kotart. This is my first order with Kotart. Let me pull you on back out a little bit. There we go. They give your colors. Now, this goes well in the Xyron. And I'll tell you, I have the Xyron X, which is great for these. But I also have the 3-inch, the 5-inch. I think it's a 5 and a 3. It might be 3.5 or 5.5. And then I have the big 9-inch. So I can do a lot of these at one time, if I so choose. And there goes a cat. I'm telling you. I really do like these. I love that they give you this. Let's also look at what else came with it. Okay, I got a nice little thank you note. What does this say? Yes, okay. Asking for feedback. Then they give you labels. I like labels. I use them when I'm finished with the bags. I have something to say about the bags, but I'm going to wait until I do a whip and chat. Yeah, because I have a hater. Thank you. I have a hater. It's awesome. So this is the bag of tools, and I've never seen any company give so many tools. Okay, so you've got your tweezers, a boat, 3 small squares of wax, plenty of bags. Thank you for the bags, because that's what I store them in later. And a boat. I'm trying to figure out what to do with all these. I need a teacher friend to tell me what they do with them. Because I know some teacher somewhere that diamond paints has figured out what to do with their 50 million boats that they have. And look, I got 2. So, let's see. This, okay, so you got the single placer. I guess that's the 3. I think that is a 6. Ooh-wee. What does 12, maybe? I'm looking on it, and I don't see it, so that's a big one. Might be 12 or 15. Well, let's see. Might be 9. I take that back. It might be 9. So, but still, that's a good sized one. I can't use that on the one I'm doing right now, because the one I'm doing right now, oh, it is Blue Confetti Nightmare. That's what I call it. Blue Confetti Nightmare. But it's going to be beautiful when it's finished. So here are the beads. Nicely wrapped. And we are going to try to figure out, there we go. So this one will make me happy to do because I do love purple. And with purple being my favorite color, this one will be very exciting to do. So I am just going to look at it. Okay, let's see, they are not in order. Because this says AO3, and over here, AO3 is 166, and then this one, okay, that is AO2. Where's AO1? Alright, so where is, see, and this is A13, and this is A26. And then here's some more A13. So, alright. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's AO1 after 6. So I have this yellow, a yellow green, some really pretty purples. Then there's AO1, which is 150. Pretty. And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, lots of brown, because her hair is brown and her eyes are brown. And I guess that's what's going to be used in this area and some of her eye. 14. Oh no, these are some pretty greens. 15 and 16 are pretty, and we've got some stowaways right here. These two right there. I bet they are back from 14. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 and 24 are pretty. They're kind of like almost a dark salmon color. 25, 26, and more 13. Okay, I have all my colors. That's a good thing. Let me move those over to the side. So, let's look. Yeah. Oh, I like this. The blue, even though the cover comes past the canvas, the glue doesn't even come 1/8 of a centimeter past the image itself. I don't know when I'm going to get to this one, because after I finish Stars in a Walk, then I am doing a quick small one just to get away from the blue. Then I'm doing a custom Alabama image. Then I'm doing another tiger. Then I want to do a Mandy Manzano. And another tiger. This one might show up in a whipping chat August, September maybe, which will be good. But then I'll need the joy of some purple and a little kitty and the big brown-eyed girl. I think she is going to come along very well. And if I didn't say it, this is a round. Very clear. I can tell what every color is without my light box. So that's nice. I could sit here and look at her all day. She may end up on the wall that's right in front of me, because she might end up getting done before a tiger. Yes, I've got 4 tigers and they're all the same, and I have to do them by Christmas. Alright, so I hope that if you have not checked out Kotart on Amazon, that you go check them out. This is awesome. Very clear, very sticky. The drills look good. I don't see any that are staticky or sticking together. Their kits are really, really, really nice. There you go. I am impressed. I did see the fox that Miss Coffee unboxed. I like the fox, but I like the whale too. There's a whale jumping out of the water, out of the ocean. There's also a girl looking at a crazy colorful sky, and she's got this little cat sitting next to her. That one might be interesting to get, just to see if the cat in that picture is not pixelated. All right, so that is the, do you hear this? I don't know if you hear this. Wally has the zoomies. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope that you go check out some Kotart. And until the next time, bye guys.